In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a video to anime using Domo AI. This is an amazing tool that can transform your regular footage into stunning anime-style video, and it's perfect for adding a unique touch to your projects. Let's dive in and see how this process works. First, we'll begin by heading to the Domo AI platform. You can do this by navigating to their video-to-video style transfer AI video tool page. Once you're there, you'll notice a host of options for transforming your video, but for today, we'll focus on the anime conversion feature. Before we proceed further, make sure you're signed in to get the full features available to you. Now look for the sign in button and click on it. This step is crucial as it ensures that you have access to all the available tools and that your project settings are saved for future use. Speaking of access, take a moment to familiarize yourself with Domo AI's terms of service. Clicking on the terms of service link will help you understand your rights and responsibilities while using the platform. After reviewing the terms, let's move on to logging in. I suggest using the convenient login with Google option. It's a quick, one-click method of ensuring that your account settings remain consistent across different sessions. Once you're logged in, it's time to choose the highlight of your video project. Type in highlight to easily bring up the options available for video transformation. For this particular task, we'll select flat color anime. This choice gives your video that distinctive anime look with bold lines and simple colors, reminiscent of classic animated series. But don't stop there. You'll also want to explore the anime effect by clicking on it. Doing so enhances your video with characteristics typically found in traditional anime. Next on our list is the Japanese anime style. Clicking on this option will refine the animation to align even more closely with styles popular in Japan, known for their intricate art and animation techniques. At this point, you'll need to click on Select Asset. This lets you choose the video footage you want to transform into anime style. If you're aiming for even more accuracy and control over your animation's final appearance, click on More Prompt. It opens up advanced settings where you can tweak various options, including the ratio and duration. These options let you customize everything from the aspect ratio to how long each effect appears in your final video. Take some time to explore these settings. They can make a world of difference in achieving the perfect look. Finally, when everything is set to your liking, click on the Generate button. This step initiates the rendering process, turning your vision into reality. Once complete, you'll have a beautifully animated video ready to share or showcase. Stay patient as the tool works its magic, and soon you'll see the results of your hard work. Enjoy your new anime-style video creation.